If I ask ChatGPT who won a FIFA World Cup 2022, that was in Qatar. Okay, I'm gonna press enter. As you can see here, hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to get an updated info with ChatGPT. As some of you know, the current data that the OpenAI use is from 2021. Okay, but we are in 2023. For example, if I ask ChatGPT about who won the FIFA World Cup 2022, I won't get a correct answer. Okay, but there is a Google Chrome extension that can help you change that. The extension help you get relevant info from the web if ChatGPT don't have the answer on its data. So I'm going to give you an example here. If I ask ChatGPT who won a FIFA World Cup 2022, that was in Qatar. Okay, I'm gonna press enter. As you can see here, the FIFA World Cup 2022 was won by France, which is not true. Okay, the FIFA World Cup 2022 was won by Argentina. Okay, so now we are going to install the extension. Okay, go to google.com and then look for WebChatGPT. Okay, this one here, and then you're gonna see, in my case, I got it on the first page here, the first line. I'm gonna click open, and then this is the extension. It's got already 100,000 users, as you can see. This is what this extension does with ChatGPT. I'm gonna add it. Click add extension. I got it already here, as you can see. And when it's done, it automatically open ChatGPT on a new window for you, as you can see here, ChatGPT. Okay, so now, as you can see, this extension is already activate, as you can see here. If I check on the old one, we don't have the extension here. It should be somewhere down here, but it's not here. Okay, but now if I go to the new chat, I got it here. I can activate it, I can deactivate it, and then I can activate it. Okay, from we're gonna tell you search on the web. So if you want 3 results, you can select, or if you want 5, you can select 5, or if you want 10, it's up to you. So I'm gonna say 4. I'm gonna go ask again ChatGPT who won a FIFA World Cup 2022. I'm gonna press enter. Now as you can see here, As you can see here, now they say it's Argentina who won the World Cup, which is true. Okay, but remember they told me that France won the World Cup. If I open here, as you can see here, they told me that France won the World Cup. Okay, which is not true. And now they said Argentina won the World Cup, and they also give you the source of the result. Okay, if I also ask ChatGPT to convert currency for me, US to CFA franc conversion, press enter. Okay, so they don't have that. Okay, I'm gonna ask who won the AFCON 2021. Let's see. As you can see, Senegal won the AFCON 2021, and it shows you the source is from the BBC. Okay, this is why you should download this extension called WebChatGPT. Okay, I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe. Ciao.